Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Take a quick selection tool, make a selection of the sweat spot. After making a selection, go to hue saturation adjustment layer and let's bring down the saturation and take the hue slider to the right. So in order to match the color, let's add a curves adjustment layer to brighten this area. Copy this layer mask to the curves and brighten this area. As you can see, now this area matches with the t-shirt color. Let's adjust the hue a little bit. Now we will merge these layers by select all these layers, press Ctrl or Command E to merge this, and don't worry about the edges, we will fix it with the healing tool. Hold down R to sample this area and paint over the edges. This will make the edges smooth, and do it very precisely in order to get the best results out of it. As you can see, I had speeded up this video in order to save your time. Doing it very precisely in order to get the best results. Now it seems like the saturation is a little bit higher in this area. Go to hue saturation adjustment layer and bring down the saturation and paint over it with the white color. Let's adjust it a little more in order to get more accurate results. I am happy with this. Now use the clone stamp tool in order to fix some white spots. As you can see, let's fix this spot here. And that's it guys, before and after. Thank you for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Not just to subscribe, hit a bell icon in order to get updated for my newer video.